So tonight I'm going to boil an egg. Now the first thing we need to do is prepare an egg. So I've taken an egg. I did let it actually warm up to room temperature, and that's intentionally. And now the egg is inside of this thing. Now what does this thing do? I mean, if I pull the cord, you can see it spins the egg. So we're going to do this a few times, and what this should do is should cause the yolk to break, and it'll start mixing it in with the egg white. So let's go ahead and get this mixed. I'm going to do this a few more times off camera. I'm done spinning my egg, and we're going to turn the eye on in just a bit. But before I do, I realized I didn't read the instructions for this thing to you. So let's go ahead and read them now. So here's the instructions. They come in two languages. On one side, they have Chinese. And the other side is English. Let me read this to you. Let's see. Operating instructions. Open the shell, turn inner shell, put egg inside the inner twist tin inner shell, then cover the outer shell and begin to pull the egg. Pull a little harder and then let go and pull. Wenxing prompt. In June, you can pull the egg at room temperature for about 40 times. For refrigerator eggs and winter eggs, soak the eggs in hot water for 1 minute and then take them out and put them in the egg puller for about 80 to 100 beats per minute. Do not use eggs that are too large. Okay, so let's take the egg out of here, and hopefully I didn't crack the shell when I was spinning it. Okay, so you have an egg in one piece. Yes, I'm going to cook one egg. I'm going to put some more water in here because I want to have enough water to cover it up. But now we're going to get that water up to a boil, and let's see what it looks like afterwards. Okay, I think our egg is all done. It's been here long enough. Now all we need to do is cut this open, but this is going to be hot on the inside. So I'm just going to put it in this cool water. Okay, I think that's cooled long enough. Move this to another eye. Okay, so let's get this shell off. Okay, so here's my egg. I probably could have mixed that yolk a little better. But just to show you that, yes, I did actually break the yolk and it's mixed in with the egg white. First of all, you can see the egg white has a yellow tint to it because the yolk is mixed in there. But if I cut the thing in half, where you would normally expect to see a yolk, you can see that there's not one. Made one of these earlier, and I have to say, the texture that has when you eat it is probably a lot closer to a scrambled egg than a regular boiled egg.